Hi guys, if you're thinking about buying the 2021 DIY Science Starry Sky Projector Nightlight Romantic Star Projection Lamp, make sure to check out the purchase link waiting for you in the description below. Today we're taking a closer look at this affordable Galaxy projector to see whether it deserves a place in your bedroom, gaming setup, nursery, or relaxation space. At first glance, it may look like a simple decorative light, but once it's switched on, the transformation is surprisingly impressive. The projector fills your walls and ceiling with beautiful star patterns and colorful lighting effects that instantly change the mood of any room. Instead of harsh lighting, it creates a soft, relaxing atmosphere that's perfect for winding down after a long day. Whether you're watching movies, listening to music, reading a book, or simply lying back and relaxing, the experience feels immersive and calming. One of the best things about this projector is its simplicity. There's no complicated installation or difficult setup process. Just place it on a flat surface, connect the power, and within seconds your room is transformed into a glowing star-filled escape. That ease of use makes it suitable for almost everyone, including kids, teenagers, adults, and even older family members who simply want a relaxing environment. This compact design is another major advantage. Because it doesn't take up much space, it fits comfortably on a bedside table, desk, shelf, or entertainment center. Even though it's small, the projection covers a surprisingly large area, giving the illusion of a much bigger and more luxurious lighting system. It also makes moving the projector between rooms quick and effortless. If you're someone who enjoys gaming, streaming, or creating social media content, this projector can instantly upgrade your background. The colorful lighting adds depth and personality to videos, live streams, and photos without requiring expensive studio equipment. It's an easy way to make your setup look more modern and visually appealing. Parents will also appreciate how this projector creates a comforting bedtime atmosphere for children. Instead of relying on a standard nightlight, the gentle star projections help create a peaceful environment that many kids enjoy before falling asleep. The soft lighting is pleasant to look at and helps make bedtime feel a little more magical. This projector isn't limited to everyday use either. It's also a fantastic addition to birthdays, holiday celebrations, romantic evenings, family gatherings, or small parties with friends. The colorful projections instantly enhance the mood and create an inviting atmosphere that guests are sure to notice. It can even become a unique decorative centerpiece during special occasions. Considering its affordable price, the overall value is impressive. While it isn't intended to replace premium smart lighting systems or professional planetarium projectors, it successfully delivers an enjoyable visual experience that exceeds expectations for its category. The combination of portability, attractive lighting effects, ease of use, and stylish design makes it an excellent choice for anyone looking to upgrade their room without spending a fortune. If you're searching for a thoughtful gift, this projector is definitely worth considering. Whether it's for a birthday, Christmas, Valentine's Day, an anniversary, or a housewarming celebration, it's a practical and enjoyable present that almost anyone can appreciate. People of all ages enjoy creating cozy living spaces, and this projector makes that easier than ever. Overall, the 2021 DIY Science Starry Sky Projector Nightlight delivers an impressive balance of affordability, functionality, and visual appeal. It transforms ordinary rooms into relaxing spaces filled with colorful stars, creating an atmosphere that's enjoyable every single night. If you've been looking for an inexpensive way to refresh your room or surprise someone with a unique gift, this projector deserves a spot on your shortlist. If you're ready to experience it for yourself, don't forget to visit the product link in the description below. If you enjoyed this review, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future reviews of the latest gadgets, smart home products, and trending Amazon finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.